Every day is an opportunity to grow and improve. It's not about competing with others, but about challenging yourself, pushing your limits, and unlocking your potential. Becoming your best self is not a single goal to achieve, but a continuous journey of learning, development, and transformation. You are one of a kind, possessing talents and abilities that set you apart. Embrace your strengths and work on your weaknesses, not to attain perfection, but to become your most authentic self. Remember, perfection is an illusion, but growth is always possible. Barriers are meant to be overcome. Each time you face a fear, you build courage and resilience, preparing yourself for new challenges ahead. True growth begins when you step outside your comfort zone. The people around you influence your energy and mindset. Seek mentors, friends, and peers who inspire you, share your vision, and support your path to personal growth. Clear goals give your journey direction. Pursue them with focus and determination, knowing the road may be tough. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and use failures as stepping stones to learn and grow. Good health, both physical and mental, is the foundation for success. Stay active, eat nutritious food, rest adequately, and find joy in activities that refresh your mind and soul. Gratitude keeps you grounded, helping you value the present while striving for the future. Treasure every experience, person, and opportunity as part of your journey. Every day is a blank page, and you are the author of your life. Create a story that reflects your values, inspires others, and fills you with pride. Life's challenges reveal your true strength. The ability to bounce back from setbacks is crucial for growth. Every obstacle you overcome makes you wiser and more capable. Reflect on your experiences, learn from them, and strive to do better next time. Don't hesitate to think outside the box and try new approaches. Creativity and innovation open doors to unique opportunities and solutions. Motivation may fade, but discipline keeps you moving forward. Build habits that support your goals, establish a routine, and focus on what truly matters. Growth is not linear, and setbacks are part of the process. Treat yourself with patience and kindness, understanding that every moment, good or bad, contributes to your story. Share your journey and lessons to uplift those around you. Your story and experiences have the power to inspire and bring hope to others. Live with purpose and courage, knowing there is always room for improvement. Every day brings a new chance to grow, discover, and move closer to your dreams.